XRP Future Millionaire. It's Saturday, March 8th, 2025 at 12:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is just going to be very quick and brief. This came across from crypto.com 7 minutes. Well, it's been about 25 minutes now. But I shared this in the Telegram, but I wanted to read this and share it to the public, just what had come across. So, Volatility Shares has filed for 3 XRP-focused ETFs, a spot XRP ETF, a 2x leveraged XRP ETF, and an inverse -1x XRP ETF, which I'm assuming would be a short. This move adds to a growing list of firms including Grayscale and Wisdom Tree seeking to launch XRP ETFs in the U.S. traders. Traders currently estimate a 77% chance of spot XRP ETF approval this year, though the odds for approval before July 31st are lowest at 35%. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has begun reviewing an XRP ETF filing, while Brazil is set to debut the world's first spot XRP ETF. So just continue to pay attention to these developing stories. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can watch the daily lives and updates. I've been doing this since March 24th of 2021 if it's your first time in here. And I've never missed a single day of being on this channel. So you'll get a lot of information, but I'm going to go. I just wanted to share that. I would love to hear what you have to say in the comments about this little development. It's something unique here that is starting to play out for XRP. The other thing is consider in the market. I know we were in a bull, a little bit of a bull run for XRP and some other cryptos. But remember, we're in more than just corrective territory right now. When we're seeing more red than green, there's a reason why we're technically not in a bull market right now. XRP's prices are much higher than they were in the 21 bear market. But once you go over 10%, you start to be, you're correcting a little bit. But once you're 20%, you're into heavy correction territory and you're starting to tease bear market. Over 30%, you're clearly in a bear market territory. But for many cryptos, they're more than 50% down from the top already. Some are 75%. So just understand, with that kind of understanding comes that very volatile scenario. Because we're not in a bona fide bull market anymore, Bitcoin's down about 25%. So it's even moved past corrective territory. But these things happen. They go 50 to 75% down in bull markets. The truth to be told is they might only do one to the next cycle, but you really do have intertwined smaller bull and bear markets that nobody talks about because they want to act like it's one big bull and one big bear when it's not. This is a prime example. We had a mini bull market and now we're back into a bear market. There's no shame in saying that. And now if we get the volatility back to the upside, the money flowing in, the institutions further allowing adoption based on these ETFs, because that brings a lot of money to this sector. But it also makes it very volatile at a time. But this is what will help push us into the next bull market. I'm not talking about a lifetime cycle here. We're talking about what pushes us into the next cycle. The next bull cycle for XRP and the rest of crypto is going to be not only the approval of these ETFs, but it's just further adoption where the institutions can get in, and then when they need to, they can get out, but they don't have to worry about liquidity through a certain sector. So that's the importance of this. And then when you start talking about the spot leveraged ETFs, that means you have them at 2x. So now you can buy an ETF that's weighted 2 times, like you're making a 2x trade, without having to take the risk of losing your entire position, essentially, by doing the long and short game. So I'm out, everybody. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to give thanks to our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ on this most holy of days here on this Saturday. And be humble, show humility, and, take advantage. I can't see anything. I'm trying to move, but I can't even see my phone right now. The sun's in my eyes. But I'm going to try to do another update tonight. I'm at my dad's house for the night. As my kitchen's being remodeled still. But there's going to be a lot of work done to my house. So I'm going to be on the road a lot, I think, for the next month or two as my house is being, reshaped, reformed, and on and so forth. So have a blessed day, everybody, and thank you all so much for your support. Without you, this show would be nothing, and it would just be literal historical data is why I started it. but so many people join that it's become so much more than me just sharing my journey along the way.